Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anmol and today we will cover how to use terminal on Mac. So firstly, what is terminal actually? Terminal is an app for advanced users and developers that let you communicate with the Mac operating system using a command line interface. Windows operating system also have a terminal command line interface, and Linux also have this. Linux actually depends on all the command line interface algorithm. So uh, let's get started. So to get started with the Mac terminal, open it from Spotlight Search or navigate to the file system using command line and execute commands to perform tasks. Firstly, there's a three ways to open terminal. One is Spotlight Search. What you have to do, you just need to press command space and enter. Sorry. So what we have to press is command space. Oh, I don't know what. Command space enter. I don't know why it's not working with my system. So what is the L is this? So this is a Spotlight Search and you have to type terminal. So yeah, with this way you can open it, alright? And the other thing is go to your Finder and navigate to applications and then utilities, so you guys can see all my applications. Utilities and then terminal. Yeah, here it is located. Yeah, and the third way is launchpad. And go to go to utilities, or you can easily type terminal here. Yeah, here is the navigation. So this is the three way we can open you can easily open your terminal. And let's get started with the let me increase its font. So if I go to view mode and I guess there should be, or I just use command press. Yeah, so with command and plus sign I can easily increase the size of my terminal. So what if you have to change the directory, you will use cd. C means change and D means directory. So you can write cd, and if I want to go to documents, so what I will type here documents. So you have to spell and yes. Okay, so I'm currently in documents folder. So Apple is my computer name. So yeah, so I'm currently in documents. So if I want to see all my list of folders or files in documents, what I will use list directory. List directory like ls, and just enter. So all the files in my documents I can see here. Okay, so if I want to make any directory, so I will make mk and directory dir. So I just use this make directory and write its folder name. For example, let's go. So it has been created. If I use the list directory again, so ls, and I can see my netsco folder here. You guys can see that. So I can easily identify that this is pdf html, this is a folder, this is a html pdf, this is pdf, this is a folder, this is a pdf, this is a folder, this is a image. So if I want to remove this directory, what I will use, simply rm remove rm like remove directory dir. So I have to give the name of directory I want to remove. Yeah, and if I go to ls again, so I can't see my netscore directory here. And also, if you want to create a new file, so what you have to write, touch file name netsgo.txt. So it's a text file I have created, and if I want to see, I will also ls, and I can see my netsgo text file here. And if I want to open it, so I easily write open file name netsgo.txt, and yeah, here it open my that text here. So go to back. If I want to copy a file, so what I will do, so let me create a make a directory again, name netsgo again. Okay, and what I have to do, I have to copy my netsgo text file into this. For that, I have to write something here. Hello, this is just for checking. Okay, I just save it and close it. So what I have to do again, so I have to copy that file and move it to netsgo again folder. So what I will do, I will use cp min copy my file name netsgo.txt, and then I have to give the name of folder I want to copy it, netsgo again, and enter. So let me check if I ls. So here is the netsgo again folder. If I go to cd netsgo again, oh sorry for the spell mistake, now ls. Okay, now open, I have to open it, so I will write open netsgo.txt. Now let's see. Oh wow! So this file also have the same text as I have. If I go to my Finder and go to Documents, I can see my folder here, my text here, and if I double click it, yeah, the same file is present here. So that is wonderful. Just a few words, and I easily copy my file. And if I have to move a file, this is a like copy a file, and if I want to move a file, before moving a file, I will let you know how to remove a file. So I just want to remove that file from netsgo. So what I will do, I'm already in netsgo folder, so I will write rm and my file name netsgo.txt, and let's go to Finder, go to here and open netsgo folder. No file is here. So what I will do, I will do cd. Okay, cd means like it back me to actual state, like from where I had started. If I write cd documents, it will move me to documents. If I simply write cd, it will move me to main user Apple, no other folder. So go to here and ls, let's see, yeah, I have netsgo. I want to move that file to my netsgo again folder. So what I will use, I just write move mv move, and my file name it's netsgo.txt, and the folder name simply like we use cp for the copy and move for mv. So my folder name is netsgo slash Okay, so if I go to sorry, folder, go to documents, I am unable to see the that file. If I open it, yeah, it moved here. So yeah, if I open it, yeah, it's working fine. Yes, so guys, I hope you guys understand the basic commands of command interface. Like these are basic command interface uh, keywords we have to use to initially move in and out uh, in a folder. So if you want to learn more functions and uh, terminal commands that every day you should know about every day using command line if you are new in a development industry, so keep watching my channel. I will definitely upload a new video with for terminal uh, command commands in the next video. So see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys understand. So let me repeat the basic navigation here. So what we use, let me clear this for. So we use cd to uh, change directory. So if I simply use cd, it will move me to main directory. So when I have to move in any other folder, cd, and I have to give the name uh, of that directory, of that folder. If I want to see all the list, I have to use list directory ls. If I want to uh, one thing uh, I didn't mention you before, print working directory. If you want to see all the, for example, if I go to documents, yeah, if you want to see like display the current directory's path, like what is the pathway of this, let's go again. So you guys can see that I was in Apple and then I move into documents and then I move into needs. If somewhere I am and I forgot my pathway, so what I will use, I will just use pwd. So print working directory. So it will tells me I was in a user's Apple document and then let's go. So it will tell me like which place I am currently stand. So we had talk about how to make directory, remove directory, uh, create a file, open a file, copy a file, remove a file, and move a file. If you guys have any question or any trouble using terminal, open it or something else, you guys can simply comment below and I definitely reply you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.